Hello, Zach here from Stealth Retainers. Today I'm going to show you our brand new injection molded retainer and weight accessories. These pieces are made right here in-house in Texas with a strong and durable HDPE plastic. These pieces will replace our current premium 3D printed weight and retainer accessories and are available in 8 colors. We also introduced an accessory upgrade kit that allows you to change the appearance of your retainer and stainless weight sets. To test the strength of these new pieces, we came up with a test. We took our old 3D printed premium weight accessories, attached them to a 16-ounce weight, and dropped them from 5 feet right onto concrete. As you can imagine, the results are pretty explosive. We did the same test with our new injection molded weight bulge and spacer with a 16-ounce weight. We actually dropped this piece about 6 times, and as you can see, it has minor scuffing, but it is still perfectly functional. These injection molded pieces represent a big step forward for us here at Stealth Retainers. And besides the primary benefit of being a lot stronger than our 3D printed pieces, this material is actually FDA food safe and can be recycled. For more tips on how to use our products, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, as well as clicking the link below to join our monthly newsletter to get the latest in new product and video releases. Happy tugging!